Hey, we're here at our second anniversary, man, with Extreme FX Global Academy. 2 years in business and still growing strong. It's the new year, new beginning. It's time for a change. Extreme is the company for the future. We're cutting edge, innovative, and we're looking for some exciting people to help us get to the next level for 2023.
We have a great community that we call the Extreme FX Common Unity, where we just operate in love. We want to see everyone win. And one thing that we always say here in Extreme is that we are the founders that can be found. We want to see you succeed, and we're also going to be doing that right alongside of you.
Extreme FX is a great investment simply because you have a way to learn about money, to make money, to gather money, and then to invest money.
To leave a generational wealth or leave a legacy for our families, we need to be able to take all of those steps.
Extreme FX provides the opportunity for growth and to work among professionals who really want you to grow.
We teach people from start to finish how to understand the chart from the economic side all the way to the analytics side.
We're literally helping people across 5 industries to generate income. So this is absolutely the place to be. Real estate, trading, financial technology. We also have a blockchain project and a very powerful affiliate marketing program.
We learn from each other. We love on each other. So this is a great place to come and just create relationships.
What made me say yes was the feeling of the common unity, knowing that you're not doing this alone and you're able to get in and make money with like-minded people.
I'm learning, I'm excited about it, and it's something that I know I can show other people as well.
Wherever you came from, we just want to say thank you and we appreciate you. We're super excited about 2023 and the year that we're going to have before. We got more events coming up, more technology, great new apparel, more strategic partnerships. We're going to make a whole lot more money, bringing a lot more students and be able to take this company to the next level. And we just want to say thank you, we appreciate you, and we're looking forward for an amazing, exciting 2023 as we take this company to the next level.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, family. Let me see if we are live. We are live. All right now. All right. Hey, do me a favor, y'all. If you guys can hear me loud and clear, can you put a 1 in the chat? Can you put a 1 in the chat if you can hear me loud and clear? Just drop it in the comments. Let me see if I'm on. Awesome. Thank you, Fave. Thank you, Ashley. Appreciate it. All right, now let's get started, man. Let's get started. It's a Tuesday. We are beginning of the week, second day of the week, or third day of the week, with second trading day of the week. Right, we want to come in the market. We want to see what's going on. Right, what the market is doing. This family, I want to remind you guys, right, that we trade with the banks, not against them. Right, we always have to look for the move that the banks are in, and then we catch those moves with them. Right, it's just there's no way you could trade against the banks and win. All right, so we have to just be patient, let the banks do their thing, and then we wait for their confirmation that they're in the market, and then we take it. All right, but here, before we get to those points, right, we got to do our little bit charting, see where some key zones, see where some areas that we want to enter the market and exit too, possibly, right? So and also, if you guys want me to take a look at any pairs, go ahead and drop it in the chat and I'll chart up some of the pairs. But I usually trade gold and NAS, right? I'm on gold and NAS all the time, right? I study those very carefully, see what they're doing and what the move of their consistent moves of the day are, and then I just capitalize off of those moves, right? So I'm going to take a look at gold. I'm just going to erase it so I can kind of chart it up with you guys. All right. Let me open this up all the way. All right, y'all. Let's do the top-down analysis. All right, we're gonna go from the 1 hour. I try to look at the 1 hour, 4 hour area, see what's what's the overall trend. Look for some sub trends. All right, so boom, boom. I like to look for key zones, family, and where key zones are, right, are those areas that I have 3 areas that I usually look for, right? Is I look for order blocks, right? I look for the 618 moves, right? The 5618, and then I also look for support and resistance, right? And sometimes they're all in one, right? Sometimes we get them all in one, and I try to be more closer to the price as I can. Right, but if prices already past those levels, I look for further down. Right, so we already passed this key level right here with these support here, strong support. Right, we got volume from this area, volume from this area, and then we kind of already broken this area. All right, we already broke this area. So on gold, so I'm kind of we do got a rejection from up here. All right, there's probably an order block down if even further. But what I want to point out here is the break of structure. Right, we have structure here. Right, we have higher high. Right, higher low, higher high, and then we break this structure. Right, we got to break a structure here. We want to keep an eye on this, right? Especially when it's in the key zone. Right? When it's in the key zone and we get a break of structure, right? We want to, make a note of that, because this is the previous high at this moment, right? The previous high at this moment, right? So 2 things could happen here, right? We can get a rejection off of this, right? Rejection off of this key zone, right? Which is that rejection. Or we break it, right? We get a break in it, right? Price will just violate that area. We will come back, retest it, and then we'll look for more buys, right? Look for more buys. All right, so but we got to pay attention to what the structure is, right? We got to pay attention to what the market has already given us. We might get a rejection from here, right? This might give us an impulse move down. I've got to get an impulse move down, which makes sense a little bit. This right here is the 618 move, right? As price made this rally up, right? It had a 618 move back down. So let's look at that, right? We pull our fib from the bottom. Hold on, let me. All right, from the bottom to the top wick. Right, and it's right into our golden zone, 5618 zone, right? But it has not come down to clear this order right here. This is probably like a 1 hour order block, or probably a 4 hour, right? So that's a nice little 1 hour order block, right? Last down candle, we had a impulse move, broke structure, left in balance, right? Left in balance. Those are the characteristics of an order block, right? As price is rejecting, right, we might see either 1 or 2 things on gold. We might see a break in this high, all right, break a structure in this high, continue to go up, or we might get a violation or a rejection off this area, and we start to see, price making lower lows and lower highs to change the character. All right, so we just got to be patient and wait for the banks to give us those confirmations. So just keep an eye on gold, right? Gold. If we get, I'm going to put an alert up here. All right, if price breaks this, alerts. All right, I want to see what price does after it breaks it. We might wake up and drop down, but we'll see. Well, you know, we just gotta wait patiently for those to happen. Let's look at NAS. NAS, I've already charted up NAS, right? I have this order block here with this impulse move, broke structure, left a ton of imbalance. We might get a rejection from this area. All right, we just got to wait for structure to give us that confirmation. What is the confirmation? We got to see break of structures. We got to see a couple of things, right? We got to see, you know, price give us a little break. I did catch this buy early this morning, right before I hopped on. I had a buy stop here, right? Because it's a continuation of this structure right here, right? And the system already gave us that confirmation, right? That 1 minute confirmation, that 1 minute green, 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 red, green, green, all right, with the green arrow, close below, close above, retest, buy stop. All right, so these are a lot of the confirmations of this the system. The system that we have. All right, so let's wait and see what this does. I got a feeling, right, that this is going to drop from this area, but my feelings don't count. Yeah, we have to really see, right? Because we don't trade on what we feel, we trade on what we see. All right, we trade on what we see. All right, so the banks don't give a hoots about our feelings, right? They're gonna do what they do regardless how we feel. And so keep your emotions out of your trade and keep focused on the structure, keep focused on the whatever you use as confirmation, right? In order to be more precise on your positions. All right, so I haven't seen the break of structure yet here. This is still creating higher highs and higher lows. All right, so let me see where I have to see price at least break this low. Let me see, high, low. At least break this low right here in order for me to confirm this coming down. All right. If we break this right here, this green line, if we break that, man, I'll probably start looking for sales after this, right? But if we break this high and continue to make, characteristics of a bullish trend, then we'll just, watch for opportunities for buys. So let's be patient. We'll wait. I don't want to get into any trades right here because we are in a key zone. Right? We want to be more responsible, right? We want to be out of these key zones to make some good trades. And on the 15 minutes, I use 15 minutes a lot. Right? 15 minutes I use really. I'm heavy on the 15 minutes, looking for structure, looking for confirmations. All right, so I want to be able to be more sure about this trade. So I got to see this break this, right, and make a new high and give us a confirmation for the buy. I know some of you guys trade SPX. I'll trade. Look at SPX. SPX is doing the same thing. If you see SPX and NAS, they're kind of the same, right? They're making the same moves over and over. Is the move of the day back, or is the pop-up live stream? Let me see, guys. Or is this just a pop-up live stream? Cornerstone Counseling. We do have the move of the day, right? I haven't heard anything different, right? The move of the day is always the third Tuesday or like the third week of the month, and first week, I believe. The first Tuesday and the third Tuesday of the month. All right, so yeah, Cornerstone. Good morning, Karen May. Good morning, Karen. Good morning. Morning, Cornerstone. Right now, we're just waiting very patiently. We're waiting very patiently for these opportunities to present itself. In dealing with key zones, right? Dealing with key zones. I don't know if you guys have any knowledge of understanding of what the key zones are, and if you don't, I could break it down a little bit more, right? But you don't necessarily want to trade from key zones. In key zones, while prices in key zones, you don't want to really trade in there. You want price to move away from these key zones and start creating structure, and then you trade with the trend, right? With the structures is the trend, right? When it starts making the trend, you trade in those moments, right? Those are high probability for success, right? In trades, right? You get a higher rate, a success rate when you're trading in the trend, trading in the structure, right? So you want to be more patient and wait for price to push away from these areas and then trade. All right, so drop a 1 in the chat if you heard that. Drop a 1 in the chat if you agree with it, man. You know, you gotta do what works, right? What's works and what's been working. And like I said already, we already getting a rejection, right? We're already getting a rejection from this key zone, right? There's a lot of already a rejection. So man, we might get a reversal from here. We just might get a reversal. We just might get a reversal, family. Let's be patient and wait for this to happen. Yeah, price already pushing down. I gotta break this low right here for me to continue to look for some sales. But if not, if it rejects off this area, goes right back up, then we want to look for buys if it breaks that zone. All right, so but I'm looking at this, man. Banks are looking like they want to sell this out. All right, now gold, SPX is falling as well. These are some good areas, man. Some key zones. Yeah, look at this order block here. It's 1 hour order block. You could probably, break it down even smaller, but let's look at this 15 minutes, see if we get look at that, right? Order block is about this, right here, this order here, right? Touched it, but I'll probably do this order block right here. Yeah, we might get a sell today. This might just drop, we might just drop. All right, looks like it wants to reject, but we got to see some structures broke in order to sell this. If we do get an impulse move, this is one of the ways you can identify that the banks are in the market. How do you identify it? You identify it by impulse moves, right? You see these moves right here, this impulse, these big candles, those are bank candles, man. Bank, they make themselves known when they're in the market. And those are some things that we can capitalize off of. We just pay attention to it. Gold, NAS. All right, NAS. Let's see. All right, we do have a head and shoulders. All right, a head and shoulders up here. All right, you guys see the head and shoulders, shoulder, head, shoulder, and then sell. All right, it looks like we want to reverse from here in this key zone. Just be patient, y'all. You know, patience pays the bills. I always say that. Patience pays the bills, y'all. If you're impatient in this market, you're always going to be funding your account. You're always going to be refunding. Once you get the concepts of trading, all right, which one of the key concepts is patience. It's one of the characteristics you want to develop more in this market. Come on. We're right down to this order here. See if we violate it. If we get a good violation, we'll be able to sell it. All right, come on. Is anybody, do you guys trade any pairs or any other commodity? All right, because I really just stick to gold and NAS. Those are my sweet spots. The two assets that I really trade. Gold and NAS, y'all. I like that rejection, but I want to see more confirmation for me to hop into this market. We got about 7 more minutes. Well, actually 6 now. All right, 6 more minutes for the market to open, and then we'll see what direction the bank's going to go in. Look at that. Look at that fall. Look at that drop, y'all. Look at that drop, man. We got to break this structure, and then we'll wait for a sell setup. We'll wait for the structure to break, and then we'll wait for the sell setup. All right, gold looks like it just wants to keep going up. Let's see if we get a good setup for this buy on gold. All right, we need that to come back down and set up for us, and then we'll jump into it. Be patient, y'all. Be patient. I have my alert up there for gold to. All right. All right, Nazi. All right, we do have the structure here: lower low, lower high, lower low. All right, if we break this high up here, then we'll probably see a nice run up. Right, we didn't break this low down here, so I'm not looking for any sales yet. Has not violated my area right here that I wanted to violate in order to look for some sales. So it bounced right back up, had this impulse candle up, didn't break any structures yet. All right, so we'll just be patient and wait for the opportunity to present itself, and then we take it. Trading is all about position, y'all. All about the right position, right? I've trained on this before, right? We are snipers, right? We are snipers, y'all, and we're not, machine gun men, right? We don't hop on the 50 cal. We're on sniper mode. We have to look for precise targets, right? And limit targets, limit the targets you take, right? You only have a certain amount of targets you want to take a day. So you want to be very sure about those targets, right? You don't want to just aimlessly shoot, which is put trades just anywhere, right? We want to make sure that, you know, we're accountable to what we do. So we got to make sure that everything is in order, right? All your confirmations, and then we trade. All right, do not trade otherwise. Right, do not put any trades where your confirmations aren't in line. All right, so we got less than 3 minutes for this market to open, and then we see where this market wants to go. If NAS creates a no, look at that, man. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Look at this drop. It created a new low. All right, lower low, lower high, a new low. All right, so I'm probably going to look for some sales at the opening of the market. All right, probably going to see this market drop. Let me see here. Got less than 2 minutes. It came right to the bang, right to that line that I put earlier. Right to the, okay, bounced right off of it. Yeah, I think it's going to violate it. I think we're going to start seeing some sales today. I think this market wants to drop, man. It's been bouncing off this area for a minute. But we got to see it break. Welcome, y'all who just joined to the move of the day. Y'all, this is just for fun, right? We're not financial advisors. Boom, boom, here we go. Market open. Market open. Market open. Let's see what we get. See what this market does. If we do get a violation of this low, we're going to sell this. This thing is going to be a nice drop today. It keeps bouncing off that area. That's a strong sell, y'all. Strong sell. Oh, yeah. Just like I said, y'all, this key zone, all right? Let's see if we get, I want to see a strong close. I want to see a strong close below. This is not a strong close. These are wicks, man. So got to pay attention to that. All right. What are wicks? Wicks are exhaustions in the market, right? The market exhaustions. We did not get a close, so I'm not even looking to sell this yet. And if it might give us a run up because of these wicks right here are just, you know, they're telling me that the sell, man, is weak. Let's see what gold is doing real fast. Gold setting up. So Be patient, y'all. Be patient. Come on. Let's go, Nas. Give us a direction already. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, we're going to sell it. This thing is dropping. We'll wait for that pullback. Wait for that pullback. Set us up for the sell. Let's see what the 15-minute is doing. And you still have wicks. We're still seeing some wicks, but we have a lower wick here, so that's pretty good for. Coming right back. Just be patient. Bum, bum. Let's see if we can get this market to keep pushing low. I don't like these wicks right here. That's why I'm not really into this market yet. I really don't like these wicks. I like to see strong candles closing. These are indecisive candles. All right, these candles are indecisive. Although they are making lows, right? But they have a lot of wicks on there, right? Especially on below, underneath. Dun, 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 dun. Oh yeah, she wants to sell, man. She's looking very strong. Come on, Naz. Let's be patient, y'all. Be patient. Wait for this to give us those impulse moves. I haven't seen an impulse move yet. There's no impulse move yet. So, let's be patient and wait for them to give us their hand, right? Show us their hand and where they want to go. Gold still hasn't decided what it wants to do. Dun, 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 dun. Be patient, y'all. We got to see these impulse moves. I really want to see these impulse moves from these candles. Banks haven't really told us what direction they want to go in, right? Because we want to see those impulse moves. We want to see those impulse candles, those strong candles, strong candles. Oh, yep. This is what we're looking for. We get this strong close. It already broke that green line that I put earlier for the sell. So yeah, we're probably going to sell this. All right, y'all. Today is a sell. All right, market looks like market wants to drop from this key zone. Let's see this key zone, this order block. All right, so wait for that pullback. And then we sell. Wait for the pullback, set up for the sell, and we'll sell it. Come on, Nas. Give us a pullback. Give us a pullback. We know the order is a sell order today. All right, it's a sell order. Oh, come on, Nas. Pull back. It is a sell order today. This thing is going to drop. Here's the pullback. Come on, pull, 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 pull. There you go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Give us a pullback. We know the order today is a sell with NAS. Let's see gold. SPX sell. Gold is still buying. Let's pay attention to this NAS. NAS is giving us a nice position here. They're giving nice confirmation. I want to see this NAS pull back a little bit. Let's go, NAS. There you go. Pull back, pull back. Here's that pullback we're waiting for. There's an extra order they're putting in. All right, they're putting in another order. Right, there's an order up here, fulfill. Now they're building another order right here. Let's go, let's go. Come on, NAS. Let's go. Let's go. You should be in the money. Oh, I forgot. This is a sell stop. I put the sell stop right here, right on the bottom of that wick. Right, you should be in the. Oh man, I forgot to call it out, but I put the sell stop right here, y'all. This thing is dropping. This is an extra order here. Order filled. Order. Let's go. Let's go. Gold, we're going to buy today. Wait for the setup on gold. Take every 1 minute buy on gold. If you have the system, those, oh, look at that drop, baby. Look at the drop. The banks are in the market, y'all. The banks are in the market. We know the banks are in the market because of these big candles, right? Big candles. Let's go. Let's go. Probably going to see another order. Here's an area that market wants to come to, right? Right. This is an area right here where market, right, where NAS will fall to. It continues to fall. This is the zone you want to. You're probably going to get a rejection off of. Let's go, y'all. Let's go. If we get a nice little setup for this 1 minute setup on the system, because we already confirmed the direction the market wants the bank's going to go in, right? We confirmed it by the impulse moves. If we do get a setup on this 1 minute back at this EMA, man, that'll be a better position. All right, that'll be a more profitable position, right? Because we'll catch it from the top here. Premium price right here. All right, let's go. Let's go. Get a pullback. Nice pullback. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, wait for those 1 minute setups on the gold and buy it. I want NAS to pull back more and set us up at this EMA. I would like for that to happen. That'd be a better position, which is more profitable, right? If we just be patient and wait for that to happen. Come on, pull back, pull back. Yeah, we'll just be patient, y'all. NAS is probably going to set up on the 1 minute back at this EMA. If we do get that set up, man, we'll take that sell from there. But if it creates a new low, we'll just have to be more patient and wait for the next setup. Yeah, this gold. When you do buy gold, that'd be awesome. When you do buy gold, if it sets up, the TP is 2742. That's TP1. TP2 will be 2752. 2751. 2751. Those are TPs for gold. All right, TPs for gold. When they set up on the 1 minute, catch those buys, and you're good to go. Come on, Naz. All right, let's go. Let's go. All right. No, we'll just be. Let's wait for this setup to happen. Back up here at our EMA. We get that close above, close below. All right, looks like that beautiful setup. And we'll take that buy up, y'all. We'll take that sell. I mean, take the sell, not the buy. Gold, right? Gold is buying, right? Gold is buying. All right, if you're buying gold, I already gave out those TPs, 2742 and 2752 for gold. As of right now, I'm waiting for this setup on NAS. I like the pullback, retracement. Let's go, NAS. Let's go. Set us up, baby. Set us up. We are at the EMA. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see if we get a close above, close below, and put a sell stop. I have a sell stop right here. All right, I have the sell stop right here, y'all. If the price decides to drop, man, we should be in that. We got to close above. All right. We got a sell stop, family. Sell stop at 21517. 21517. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on. Yes, sir. Come on, let's go. Two 21517. Below that. If you haven't put one yet, put it below, lower, put it lower. Or keep that sell stop right there. Keep that sell stop right there. Dun, 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 dun. Let's go, Nas. Let's give us that drop, baby. Let's go. Keep going. Keep dropping. Keep dropping. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Nas. Let me see where this is at. Hit that 168. Hit that 168. Or 618. 618. Boom, boom. Get a close above. If you haven't put that buy that sell stop yet, that sell stop is still good, y'all. The sell stop is still good. You can put it in, right, and leave it in there. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, Nas. Yeah, put that sell stop in there. Let me get rid of this real quick. This is the area you want to target. This area down here, this key zone out here is where we want to target. Yeah, so it could come as far as up to this order block and close it and then drop. Be patient, y'all. Let's go. Come on, drop, baby, drop. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, y'all. Let's go. Let's go. You should be in the money. You should be in the money, y'all. You should be in the money. You should be in the money, y'all. You should be in the money. Drop a 1 in the chat if you took that trade. Drop a 1 in the chat if you took that trade. Drop a 2 if you collected some of that. Come on, y'all. 2 if you collected some profits. Let's go, y'all. Let's go. It is still dropping. It is still dropping, y'all. It is still dropping. Let's go, y'all. Let's go. Let's go. This thing is still dropping. Look at the key zone. I told you this is what we're coming to. This is what we're coming to right here. We're coming to this. But you should be collecting profits, y'all. Y'all should be collecting profit. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, y'all. Come on, y'all. Oh, my gosh, bro. Oh, my gosh. Patience pays the bills. Patience pays the bills, y'all. You wait patiently for these moves. Let it come to you and take the trade. This thing is good. We should be good already. We should be good. You guys should have been collecting profits already. Let's get this money, y'all. Let's get this money. Let's go. Let's go. Great job, y'all. Great job. Great job. TK, what's up, TK? Tupu, Jaden, Mark. Let's get this money, y'all. There's 14 of us on this call. Come on, y'all. 14, and only a couple of us made money. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. I know, man. I know you guys put some trades in. Let's go, Junior. Let's go, y'all. Let's go. Let's see. Let's look at gold. We already collected on NAS. Look at the buy on gold. I told y'all to buy gold. Buy gold. Gold is coming up here to a 2742. 2742. Every opportunity you get to buy it, buy it. This thing is going up. Smooth. Look at this. Look at this trend. Told y'all, wait for those trends to happen and take them. Let's go. Let's go. There's too much money in this market. Too much money in this market. Come on, y'all. Too much money. Too much money to be left behind. Yo, too much money to be left behind. Let's collect some of these profits. Fave, did you take that trade? Ashley, Deborah, Favor. Come on, brother. Cornerstone. Come on, y'all. I know you guys made some money. I know you guys made some money. Listen, y'all, we are done for the day. We are done for the day. Congratulations for those who took the trade and for those of you that learned patience today. Right? Learn some patience. All right? Man, be patient. Let the trade come to you. Set up nicely and you take the trade. All right, family? Let me see something here. With that said, I'll see you guys at the top because the bottom is just way too crowded. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Hey, we're here at our second anniversary man, with Extreme FX Global Academy. 2 years in business, it's still growing strong. It's the new year, new beginning. It's time for a change. Extreme is the company for the future. We're cutting edge, innovative, and we're looking for some exciting people to help us get to the next level for 2023.
We have a great community that we call the Extreme FX Community, where we just operate in love. We want to see everyone win. And one thing that we always say here in Extreme is that we are the founders that can be found. We want to see you succeed, and we're also going to be doing that right alongside of you.
Extreme Effect is a great investment simply because you have a way to learn about money, to make money, to gather money, and then to invest money.
To leave a generational wealth or leave a legacy for our families, we need to be able to take all of those steps.
Extreme FX provides the opportunity for growth and to work among professionals who really want you to grow.
We teach people from start to finish how to understand the chart from the economic side all the way to the analytics side.
We're literally helping people across 5 industries to generate income. So this is absolutely the place to be. Real estate, trading, financial technology. We also have a blockchain project and a very powerful affiliate marketing program.
We learn from each other. We love on each other. So this is a great place to come and just create relationships.
What made me say yes was the feeling of the community, knowing that you're not doing this alone and you're able to get in and make money with like-minded people.
I'm learning, I'm excited about it, and it's something that I know I can show other people as well.
Wherever you came in, we just want to say thank you and we appreciate you. We're super excited about 2023 and the year that we're going to have before. We got more events coming up, more technology, great new apparel, more strategic partnerships. We're going to make a whole lot more money, bringing a lot more students and be able to take this company to the next level. And we just want to say thank you, we appreciate you, and we are looking forward for an amazing, exciting 2023 as we take this company to the next level.